Do you trust a digital platform with your life savings? It's a huge question, and one you have to ask before putting your money into any online investment service. Today, we're doing a deep dive on one of the biggest names in Canadian fintech, Wealthsimple, to answer a simple, but critical, question: is it trustworthy? We're not talking about investment performance, we're talking about the silent guard standing between your money and cyber threats, security, and encryption. First, let's look at the absolute fundamentals of the platform's security. Wealthsimple uses what's called a multi-pronged approach. The most basic layer, the lock on the front door, is encryption. When you log in, browse your account, or transfer money, all that data moving between your device and Wealthsimple servers is scrambled using high-grade 256-bit SSL/TLS encryption. This is the industry standard, the same technology used by major banks. What does 256-bit mean? It's virtually unbreakable with current computing technology. Even if a hacker intercepted the data, it would look like complete gibberish without the key. But encryption only protects data in transit. What about the data at rest, meaning your personal information and account details stored on their servers? Wealthsimple is compliant with industry certifications like SOC 2, which involves rigorous, independent audits of how they handle, manage, and protect client data. It's a gold standard certification that proves their internal systems are secure. Now, let's talk about the single most important thing you can do to protect your account: two-step verification, also known as 2FA. If a hacker somehow gets your password, maybe through a phishing scam or a data breach at a totally different website, 2FA is the second, crucial lock on your account. Every time you log in on a new device, Wealthsimple requires a unique, time-sensitive code, usually sent to your phone via an authenticator app or text. This means even with your password, the hacker can't get in without also having your physical phone, and they only have a few seconds to do it. Wealthsimple strongly encourages, and sometimes requires, this, because it protects your account from 99% of common hacking attempts. If you have a Wealthsimple account, enable 2FA right now. Seriously. Finally, let's address the unthinkable: what happens if Wealthsimple goes out of business, or is hit by a massive breach? When it comes to your actual money, your investments, Wealthsimple is highly regulated. Wealthsimple Investments Incorporated is a member of the Canadian Investor Protection Fund, or CIPF. This means that if the company were to become insolvent, your eligible investments are protected up to $1 million. This protection has nothing to do with the stock market dropping, it's against the financial failure of the firm itself. For cash products, like their checking accounts, they offer up to $1 million in CDIC deposit protection, which is 10 times the standard $100,000 protection at a single bank. They achieve this by strategically holding your funds in trust across multiple CDIC member institutions. Your money is separated, secure, and insured. So, is Wealthsimple trustworthy? Based on their adherence to bank-grade encryption, their mandatory use of 2FA, rigorous third-party audits, and the robust CIPF and CDIC insurance backing up your assets, the answer is yes.